to thank UT for the effort they have put in me. The teachers, their teaching method is unique, and especially the test series. The tests conducted regularly have helped me in studying and revising my portion regularly. The doubt sessions are also too good.
I take this opportunity to thank UT for their guided effort, for all the support and cooperation they have to the students. Counseling, not only counseling but even difficult, that has also helped, and there's classes for students who had missed also. That is also one of the advantage that the students are having, and I think the test was the best because it made them work hard. They had, and so they were ready for the board exams.
The regular test and systematic coaching at UT has helped me a lot to keep me updated with the syllabus, because of which I could complete my studies on time.
UT not only helped me in my studies but also made a strict timetable for me, as I had to get up at 6:30 for my lectures. This also made a new change in me. The test series, of course, acted as a simulation for me, as I got to examine myself every time. And even the vacation batch was very helpful, as we had to study for long hours, and the teachers were also friendly, especially Biju sir, Lobo ma'am, and almost all of them.
I was very weak in mathematics and science. UT helped me to secure a good